Every day, across countless warehouses and receiving docks, a critical bottleneck persists. Teams are still bogged down by the messy, manual, and error-prone work of data entry. Receiving documents, whether it's a packing slip, an invoice, or a simple receipt, require painstaking review, visual data extraction, and tedious input into disconnected systems. This isn't just inefficient, it's a major gap in the supply chain's execution layer. Manual processes lead to costly discrepancies, delays, and a constant stream of exceptions that demand human intervention. The result? Hours wasted, errors multiplied, and a lack of real-time visibility, holding back the entire operation. Welcome to your centralized hub for smarter receiving. On your dashboard, you'll effortlessly upload all your inbound documents, whether it's a packing slip, an invoice, a receipt, or any other document received along with the inventory. Just click the user icon in the top right corner and click on Dashboard. We make uploading your documents incredibly flexible. Whether you prefer to select files from your device, be it PDFs, JPGs, PNGs, or more, or simply capture an image directly via your mobile phone, we've got you covered. For ultimate efficiency, you can even configure watch folders on your desktop, scanner, SharePoint, or any other network storage your organization uses. Just drop files in, and our agent instantly begins processing, bringing seamless automation to your existing workflows. Once uploaded, you'll see instant confirmation that your files have been received. Each document is securely stored, accessible via its unique URL. From here, our AI receiving agent immediately springs into action, taking over the heavy lifting of processing and validation. Our platform's menu bar provides quick and clear access to all key features and sections. From here, you can easily navigate to upload new documents, review your processing history, manage items in the human review queue, or adjust your settings. To track the status of your uploaded documents and access detailed log information, navigate to the processing history. Here, you'll find a clear overview of each document, its upload date, and its current status. You can quickly see which documents are still processing, which have been automatically approved, which require human review, or if any errors have occurred. As soon as documents are uploaded, they are automatically added to the processing queue. Our AI agent immediately takes over, analyzing each file based on your defined business rules. It then begins the critical validation process against your ERP data. As you can see here, our recently uploaded file is currently set to queued, awaiting its turn for comprehensive analysis. Once uploaded, documents undergo an AI-enhanced parsing process, leveraging a robust third-party OCR service for initial recognition. Our system then intelligently reads and accurately maps every field, including complex table data like product codes, serial numbers, and quantities. This provides clean, structured output for immediate use. What truly sets us apart is our ability to deliver unmatched, tailored accuracy. During setup, we train a dedicated AI model using client-specific document formats and their many variations, ensuring it's ready to tackle any document type agent receive. This model then automatically and continuously learns and improves as more documents are processed, guaranteeing consistently precise data and peak operational efficiency. As you can see here, our AI agent has now successfully processed the document. The status has been updated to completed, and you'll find comprehensive details in both the AI decision and ERP execution logs. The AI's decision is clearly set to auto-approve, meaning the document met all your predefined business rules and due diligence checks. Consequently, the ERP execution log shows a success message, confirming the data has been seamlessly integrated into your system. For complete transparency and auditability, simply click on any line item to take a detailed look. Here, you'll see the precise details of how our AI agent processed the document. This includes granular insights into every data point extracted. You'll understand exactly why the AI made its auto-approve decision, ensuring full confidence in every automated transaction. From the Documents tab, you can preview the uploaded document. Navigating to the LLM Decision tab. Here you can review the raw decision made by our AI agent, along with its detailed reasoning for that outcome. This section also displays all related metadata, including the precisely extracted line item data for the received purchase order number. Moving to the ERP Execution tab, you can review operations our AI agent has performed directly within your client's native ERP system. Now let's look at how our AI agent ensures accuracy while providing human oversight. From the menu bar, we'll navigate directly to the Human Review section. This dedicated queue displays all documents that require human attention or approval, precisely because they were flagged by the AI due to a specific discrepancy or an edge case requiring expert judgment. All AI-flagged documents appear here for review. Clicking any entry instantly displays detailed job information, enabling your team to quickly understand the discrepancy and take action. Within the Process Details tab, you can clearly see the AI's complete reasoning behind its decision. This provides full transparency into the AI's logic, showcasing the comprehensive checks it performed and why it flagged this specific document for human review. Here, within the LLM Decision tab, you can observe the raw AI agent decision output. If you ever spot an inaccuracy or believe the AI made a mistake, this tab, Flag AI Decision, provides a critical input field. Here, you can directly explain any perceived errors in the AI's decision. This valuable feedback is then used to continually train and improve our AI, significantly enhancing the accuracy of future decisions and ensuring the system learns and adapts to your specific needs. Simply describe the situation in natural language, highlight the discrepancy, or provide the correct supposed to be information. Once you've explained the inaccuracy, simply click Submit Flag to send your feedback.